If you're paying separately for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and ElevenLabs, Qolaba AI it claims to replace all of them with one unified tool, but can it really deliver? So what is it? It's a multimodal AI platform that brings together top models, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini for text, Flux Pro, DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion for images, Runway, Kling AI 2.0, and Luma for video, and ElevenLabs for voice synthesis, all with one dashboard. You work via credits, not per user seats. It's got all-in-one access. You don't need separate subscriptions for text, image, audio, or video, which honestly sounds like a dream. It's got credit-based billing. Share usage across your team without paying per seat. Great for agencies or small businesses. And it's got a user-friendly AI. I mean, even the website looks hecka good. It's got stability issues. Users report freezes, failures, or credit deductions even without successful output. Credit burn rate. You get 1,500 credit that can deplete within an hour of moderate use, making ongoing costs potentially higher than using standalone tools. And it's got inconsistent quality. Image video results sometimes are weaker than using native tools directly. Qolaba AI Studio is compelling for anyone wanting access to advanced AI across writing, visuals, voice, and video, all in one interface. It could technically replace standalone subscriptions to ChatGPT, Midjourney, and ElevenLabs, but only if you're willing to navigate occasional instability and high credit usage.